powerful, durable, and easy to use. The RYOBI 3200 PSI Pressure Washer provides the power and convenience you need to tackle a variety of jobs. The Kohler RH265 196cc engine provides the power you need to clean with confidence. Use the 5-in-1 quick change nozzle for versatile cleaning, quickly selecting one of multiple spray patterns. For a more thorough clean, you can apply detergent effortlessly from the onboard soap tank. With a 40% longer reach than a standard hose, the included 35-foot high-pressure hose makes cleaning those hard-to-reach places even easier. The 1/4-inch Quick Connect capable surface cleaner gives a streak-free clean using rotating high-pressure water jets. The durable hand truck frame and flat-free wheels allow for easy transportation. The RYOBI 3200 PSI Pressure Washer, powered by Kohler. Sold exclusively at the Home Depot.